Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Before starting, of course, I wish you all Happy New Year for 2023. So today the workshop XL. So the bigger knife in 111 millimeters. So we have this one. So we have 41 millimeters thickness. It weighs 341 grams, which is heavy, and it has 31 functions. Usual papers here. This one with different tools. Here the usual paper, the Swiss Champ, and another one, and usual box. So 31 functions. So what do we have here? We have the main blade, as usual, liner lock here. Then we have the can opener with the flathead screwdriver. Here the bottle opener, cap lifter, wire bender stripper, and the larger flathead screwdriver. And this one is also with line lock here. Moving on, we have the pliers, the wire cutter, wire crimping, I think it's like that we say in English. Underneath we have a Phillips, the same that we can find on the 91 millimeters inline Phillips. So next, this gutting blade. Of course, we can use it for other things. Then we have scissors, which are not easy to get. So usual scissors from 91 millimeters. And underneath we still have a Phillips, but very long and smaller, can be useful as well. So of course here, if you want to use the Phillips, one of the Phillips, you have to take out the pliers or scissors before. So that's the thing that's a bit annoying about that. And you have the file, metal file, wood file, and metal saw. Just next to it, the wood saw. Then we have the combo tool with the flat screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, wire bender stripper. Then we have this hoof cleaner for horses, of course, but as well you can maybe use that for something else. Then we have the, what I would say, the rescue tool, or seatbelt cutter. Of course, you could use that for other purposes. And finally, we have this, which is a shackle opener, and can also be used as marlin spike. So here for this tool on this side, then we have the corkscrew with the little flathead screwdriver. Yes, with the mini screwdriver. Yeah, the toothpick. As a reminder, we don't have the hole or the straight pin on 111, as well as we don't have the pen, ballpoint pen. We have two reamer holes at the back, of course the keyring, and the tweezers on this side. For the price in Europe, Victorinox price, it's 199 euros. So quite expensive, but you can find it, of course, cheaper. Amazon, for example. I think I bought it 140, which is a good price, I think. It's not. It's a bit. It's an expensive knife, I would say. I think it's a good one. They may have unuseful tools, I think, if you use it. It's heavy, thick, but to me it's more of a for the collection. Victorinox put two reamers holes, so I think it's more for collection, but of course you can use it. I think the thickness is not that bad for the hand, but yeah, to me it's more for the collection. I wouldn't buy this one, I think, to use it. So as usual, if you have any questions, tell me what you think about it in the comment as well. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, if you think I earned it, and so in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye. You start